Hi everyone. Today I want to show you a cool trick. Let's say you're working in one app and you have some information on this app that you would like to have open to reference while you're looking at a different app. So you wish you could have them side by side on your iPad. There is a way to do that called the slideover and then also the split screen feature. So let me show you how they work. So let's say I have this open right here and I come down to the bottom of my screen here. I'm going to just click for a second to show you. The app that you want to also open has to be down here at the bottom. So let's say if I wanted to take Illustrator and bring it down, I would just drag that down here. So now I could use that in this feature. So I'm going to go back to the slide, and here's the trick. If I bring this up and I just flick up like that, you see how everything disappears? Don't do that. Instead, what you're going to do is you bring your finger down and you kind of just gently move this up and you just hold it for a minute and then let go. So it's not a quick swoop, it's sort of like a gentle drag and then a let go. So now I'm going to take Photoshop in this case, and I'm going to bring it out. So this is going to create what's called a slide over, or rather a split screen. Now, the cool thing about this is you can see I have both apps here, although this one is kind of covering up the other. And if I click on this little bar up here, I can move this around and put this wherever I want to. But if I want to have a true split screen, something where I can see all of this and all of this at the same time. Let me show you the trick. It's subtle, but again, I hold by that bar and I kind of move this around, and it takes a little bit of finagling to get this to work, but at some point, there you go. See how it just split the screen? So now I have a split screen and I can move this back and forth. So at some point, if I want this app to look larger and this one to be smaller, I can do that. And what I love about this is, let's say you're working here and you want to watch a video. There's a link, takes you to the video link on this, and you can come over here and open up whatever files you're going to be using. And you can go back and forth between the two of them without having to go back and forth. So you can pause a video, do a little bit of the work, and do a little bit over here. And this is all fully interactive. It's definitely letting me use it. So let's say you're happy and you're done and you'd like to stop the split screen. How do you do that? Well, first of all, you can get out of split screen mode and get back into slide over by taking this, and I think you move it to the right. Let me see. There we go. Yep. And that's done. How do I close it up? Go to this bar, this white bar down at the bottom, and you get that, and then you just flick up. And now you're back into this mode, and you can just use this as a single app on your screen.